Okay, that's my old starter. You can see the O-ring in there. And that's the starter I bought on eBay. I just opened it because, as you can see, it's full of oil. Starter is full of oil. It's primary fluid. And if I look inside, there's no O-ring whatsoever. So I don't know if they mounted a Friday afternoon or what, but I don't recommend that starter at all. It worked great, but since they forgot to install the whole ring when they rebuilt this starter, what part will be missing if you buy from them? So I don't suggest to buy from there at all, even if it was working great. The clutch is great, everything is great. All my primary fluid is going out of the primary case by the starter, and it's flowing everywhere. I thought they were bad quality O-ring, but I never expected to find no O-ring whatsoever. So anyway, now you know. Ridiculous. Completely ridiculous. I just cleaned that, but it's full of oil here. It's supposed to be dry here. There the seal is around here inside. So everything behind is supposed to be dried. There's not supposed to be oil in there, neither in the motor. So fortunately, my whole starter was still good. I replaced it because the clutch was bad. So now I install the housing on my whole starter because I needed to drill a hole. Actually, I will show it to you. It's pretty. Shouldn't be allowed to be on business. So yeah, I replaced that because where's the bolt? Anyway, I needed to drill it here because on the OEM it's a 10 mil plus Phillips head. But on that rebuilt thing, but you can see here is just Phillips with no possibility to put a box on it. So one was jammed, so I had to drill the head to take it out. But now I will take the motor of my whole starter. As you can see, I tried. It was not leaking with that much of sealing in there, but that was not a problem. The oil was going here, inside, and everywhere in the motor. As you can see, it's still dripping. And anyway, that's a really bad way to do business. Anyway, so now this one was still spinning. Sorry, this one was still spinning, but I will install mine because I know mine was good. So I will do that, but as you can see, it's dripping like an oil change, and it's a starter. It's an electric motor, not supposed to have oil in there.